Just like the planets revolve around the sun, the people on Earth revolve around a power. Analogous to the planetary sciences, there is skepticism about people and power. The question is,
does the power hold the people in place, or people keep the power in the center?
here the people includes everybody, irrespective of any geographical location, socioeconomic status, literacy, employment, religion, color, gender, etc. All these people are driven by the interest of power. The power at hand favors the majority due to huge participation. The majority is formed by the general population, mainly constituting the rural dwellers, the localites, and the metropolitans. They exercise the power invested on them by voting. Living life every day, exchange occurs between people, but much of the actions are regulated due to rules and regulations posed by the power. In case of any disagreement, these people voice their opinion, which holds considerable significance. Their oppositions are manifested in the form of avoidance, strikes, etc. The power trying to please the majority responds to the voice by altering its means. Amidst all this, one still wakes up each day and completes the routine, be it going to work, doing daily chores, making transactions, earning for a livelihood, etc. They sustain their life on this planet, and most of the times being immune to the commotion surrounding them. As time progresses, an order to the chaos is brought about, or the chaos gets buried. During all this, a significant voice is ignored, that is, the voice of the accomplished. Even though a country has a literacy rate of 74%, only 12% of the population have pursued higher education. The research organizations, academic establishments, and certain well-read societies configure the minority. The impact of their applications are known worldwide, but yet they fall short in representation. Consequently, the voice is subdued and many of the times overlooked. With such prevalent cases, chaos is a normal scenario. Chaos brings havoc in people. People try to utilize the democratic power in these times, which is wrongly curbed by the power. Their authoritative power takes the form of futility. People expect the power to favor them, but the power just might have varied interests. Now, questioning the system of democracy becomes belated. The people in reality only exercise invested power. The identity of ideal power is missing since the inception. So to check the premise again, does the power hold the people in place, or people keep the power in the center? Henceforth, this movement of people around the power is a matter of inquiry.